What's up, Soul Squad? What's up, family? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to all my new subscribers. Thank you for everybody who buying that flower. It is available. The link is below. And guys, my tour has started, and it's going to start in DC April the 25th. Get your tickets. They're $10. The event, Eventbrite, and it's going to be in a link below, guys. But I am making meat sauce with panini noodles. It is another version of spaghetti and noodles, I guess, if you want to say that. But okay, so you're gonna need some my way, my kitchen my way, your kitchen your way. You don't have to use everything I'm using. You can choose your own meat, just all turkey meat, all ground beef, mixed with some sausages. But I'm doing it this way. Let me move the other way. So I got some turkey meat. It's about a pound. This is 3 pounds. 3 pounds of turkey meat. I got about this is a pound. 1 pound of ground beef, and I cut some sausage up, and I have an onion right here, and I got some olive oil. Cook it in my pan. Yeah. I got some olive oil cooked in my... Okay, guys, I'm cutting up some onions. As much onions as you like for you and your family. You know how much onions you and your family like. I'm not using that much. Sit it to the side. I got my olive oil on. Getting my grease hot. So basically, I'm going in with just the onions. They all... I don't gotta cut them. They already like this. But I do want them a little bit smaller. This is spaghetti. You don't want no big chunks of onion. That grease is cooking and popping. And the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to saute my onions and sausages together. And these are beef sausages. You can get a Polish sausage, a beef sausage. You can get ground sausages if you don't want this. You know what I'm saying? But I try to use what I got in my refrigerator. You know, what's for dinner tonight? No special recipe. This is what I decided to cook for dinner tonight on a Tuesday. No, what's the day? On a Monday. You guys get this video on Tuesday. And I don't know, they want all these big onions. You want me to cut them up some more? Huh? Oh, yeah, he said no. I'll get some of these onions cut up. Because guess what? I'm not eating it. So they love the onions. They want to taste the flavor. Let me get it in there. Look at that. There's about a half an onion of a large onion. Going in with my meat. And we're going to let all that cook up together. Get all the onions. All that they want, all they need. Let that sweat and let that cook. I'll get my wooden spoon, wash my hands, and we'll come back for the next step. Okay, guys, I have my... make a mess. My panini noodles right here that I'm using. Any brand would do. This water is raging. It's boiling. And basically, you're just going to follow instructions. It's a 1 pound box. Now, what pasta? You want to use a lot of salt. Because you want to get that pasta. Don't worry about that salt. Oh my God. No, you want that pasta to be seasoned very, very well. Going to buy 2 tablespoons of oil so it won't stick. I'm going to let my pasta do its thing. Back. We'll be back. Okay, guys, I got my ground beef in here. Chopping it up with the onions and sausage. At this point, I'm going in for my turkey meat. Now, this is where you use your seasoning. Whatever seasoning that you're going to use. Remember I told you guys how my hamburger and turkey sausage, my turkey ground beef tastes good with my flour because it's already seasoning. Guess what? That's what I'm doing right here. This is the base of my seasoning. Everything I need. All the flavor I need. What I got in there. And that green pepper. I say and that green pepper. And my hamburger. I'm using it to make me some meat sauce for our noodles. Gonna let that cook. Got this on the high. Yes. Let it cook together. A little bit of this. Altogether, I'm gonna say it's about maybe a couple of tablespoons, maybe 4 tablespoons of my flour I'm using to season this with. We're gonna let this cook so everything is nice and done, which is not gonna take long for turkey meat and ground beef when it's chopped up. But the house smells wonderful. Again, we're gonna let that cook and we'll be back. Okay guys, my hamburger is done. Everything I had was so lean, I didn't even have to take any grease off. But what I want to do, because I use my flour, is taste my hamburger. Oh my God, that is good. Diced tomatoes drained. Drain the tomatoes off. Oh my goodness, that's so good. Some tomato sauce. I'm gonna use 1 whole one for now. Ooh, that is good. Lord, you use this flour on anything. Man, you about to take your stuff to another level. Look at that meat sauce, the diced tomatoes. I think I'm gonna add another little bit more tomato sauce in there, not too much, because I want to add in some Italian seasoning. Oh, that hamburger is like that. And turkey meat. Told y'all. Lord. Look at this. Yes. I want to pull in just maybe 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. I like that rich dark look that you get. Set that to the side. Also, go in there with about 2 tablespoons of sugar. It's optional. It's up to you. But this is good. Lord knows that is good. See, now I can't taste it because I got all that stuff in it. But I tasted the part that I could taste, and I'm sweating, y'all. It's only 66 degrees here in DC in the winter on a Tuesday. But look at that sauce. That panini noodles is done. With my panini noodles, to keep them from being sticky, add a little olive oil on these bad buddies. Again, you want everything just to have flavor. Add a little bit of that Italian season on the top of those noodles. We're going to stir that up. Let this simmer. You have this simmer? That meat sauce is ready. Let that simmer and grab a plate. We're going to make a plate. I'm going to dry my face. We'll be back. Okay guys, get your favorite plate. I put that Italian seasoning, some olive oil on my noodles. Plate your noodles as much as you want. I don't know how much you're eating, right? And get your sauce. It's dinner tonight in my house. Whoever wants it. Just like that. Oh, but it's not finished because you can use fresh. I didn't have any more fresh, so I had some Parmesan cheese. What I want to do first, my parsley flakes. You know I like it parsley, right? So I think I'm gonna do the white first. Get your little Parmesan cheese on top of there. Put some of those noodles too. Don't be shy. Top it with some parsley flakes. Can somebody say salad or garlic bread? Not in my house, not tonight. Just this. That's all I got. That's all I got for them. Guys, into this next video, please like, share, subscribe. Get your tickets for April the 25th. The link will be below for Eventbrite. Get your flower. The links will be below. Love you guys.